finally here. It's my winter Fabfitfun. So if you want to see what's inside this box, then stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. Bandit the little trader is with my mom, and Chloe's just off doing Chloe things. If you're new, welcome. Thank you so much for checking us out, and if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. I do want to start, for those of you who aren't aware, and I know probably a lot of you are by now, but the YouTube community, the unboxing community that I'm a part of is reeling from the loss of just the most brightest light. Faye Blatcher over from her channel passed away on Veterans Day. And if you have watched her before, you know she is just the brightest shining star, always laughing, always makes you laugh, puts a smile on your face, and she will be very, very missed. So if you are not aware, her son did make a video and post it, very emotional, very heartfelt. So our thoughts and prayers go out with her family, and we just loved her here in the YouTube community. Okay, I also want to share some friend mail. So I did get some friend mail from my friend Erlene, and she's so nice about sending out cards. This is for my birthday, which is in the month of November. I don't advertise that. I know some people do. She just reached out and asked me because we had collabed together. Oh, there's confetti. And so she says, happy birthday to a beautiful lady. I hope you have an amazing birthday. I hope you get everything you want and all your wishes come true. Hugs and love, Erlene. Thank you so much, Erlene. She put some confetti in here. My mom will kill me. Some stickers. So it was a very nice of you to do that, Erlene. Thank you so much. All right, I've got like 4 boxes coming in. 2 were their curated boxes and 2 were boxes that I put together. So let's see which one this one is. Now it's funny because I have 2 accounts, and on one account it tells me what category everything from my box is in, and like if it was an add-on and how much I paid for the add-on. And then on my other one, it doesn't tell me what category anything is in, but it tells me the retail value. So weird. I don't understand why, but I don't know. So inside we have this nice wreath. And this is the perfect gift box. So they put this together. It was $69 and has an MSRP of $237.95. So not a bad little investment. As I've gone through recently and canceled a lot of subscription boxes, this is one that will always stay, whether I have a YouTube channel or not, because the value is just there. You're definitely getting your value's worth. So even when people are like, well, not really excited about anything, I always find things to be excited about. I do research all the products, so I think that increases my excitement about some of the products when I learn more about them. Because sometimes there's a product I'm not that excited about, but then when I research it, I'm like, oh, yeah, maybe I do want that. So I always find just the value to be there. So the biggest thing that was on my wish list this year was the Emerald Unhide. Now, do I need another Unhide? I do not. Do I have an emerald one? I do not. Did I feel like I just really wanted this one? I did. All right, so here it is. This is the Little Marsh. So it's a throw blanket, but the throw blanket size is actually about the size of a twin bed. So it is a great size. This is fluffy, furry, friendly, fresh faux. So this is a faux fur feeling one. I mean, it feels like fur, but it's not. This is this company was put together by Ellen DeGeneres, who is a big advocate for cruelty-free products. Now, this also has, you see these little things here, so you can actually wear this like a kind of like a cape. And so I was super excited. It's all put together, but look at how gorgeous that is. It's so soft. Next by Blissy, because I thought these were two products that went together, the blanket and this, so I was so glad that these were in this box. And when I look at these boxes, I do kind of price out how many of the items in there do I want? How much would it cost to add them on? Is it cost effective? And so I think they had maybe 5 boxes this time. I chose 2 of them. The other ones had a few items that I would like, but it would really just be cheaper just to add them on. So this is their 100% pure mulberry silk in emerald sleeping mask. And I believe theirs is a 22 mommy. So it is one of the higher counts out there. That's where you're getting the kind of luxurious count. So we have this nice eye mask, and it doesn't have any kind of strap to adjust it, so it's nice and soft in the back of your head. And then there's even a little bag to put it in. When you are getting up to this level of silk, it is actually machine washable. You don't want to put it in the dryer, but you can wash it in the machine for the most part. I believe I saw one of their commercials where they even said that, but double check before you do anything. I will also tell you this, with your night care routine, you want to do that early enough so that everything is soaked in, because if you've got like oil and it's still kind of damp, that is going to transfer onto there and it is going to cause some staining, so you do want to be careful about that. Next, we have the 2 different Tower 28 Shea Butter Lippies. And these have marula oil and kupaku butter in this one. This is in the shade Mix, and this one is in the shade Shake. All right, so here is Shake. Oh, that's really, really light. I like that. That's a good everyday. Here is that Mix, also very light. So I do like that these are both kind of just hints of color by Etika. I just thought this was so pretty. And we do have a little bag, but we have this bracelet with this little toggle. So it's like a tennis bracelet with just a little toggle, and it's in a gold tone. All right, so there it is on. And regardless of your wrist size, this is a one size fits most. So if you have very small wrists, this will definitely fit you. And this will fit you up to a larger wrist. As you see, I have a pretty large wrist and I do have plenty of room. I'm kind of very large boned. Next, and I thought this was so adorable. This was something I liked. I wouldn't have added on. I wouldn't have paid the whatever it was to add it on. Just because it's like, is it something I really need? So it coming in this box was kind of a bonus. But this is the Wander Beauty Beauty Sponge Ornament. So I don't think it looks much like an ornament, but it does hang here. And you do have some different sponges in there. And then you have some heart-shaped powder puffs. And then on the bottom, we have a nice silicone cleaning surface to clean everything on. And then last in here by Static Nails, we have the top coat. That's going to be a clear. Then we have the color, which is in Sweater Weather. It's a beautiful kind of plum type color. All right, and that is my Fabfitfun curated box. Again, this was something they put together, not me, and I said, yes, please. It is available in, as I'm filming, on the 12th. It's available in their sale, but this won't go out on the 12th. So will it be available in future sales? I don't know. Sometimes you do find some of these boxes that they haven't sold out in their future sales, and sometimes you don't. So it's kind of a 50-50. But loving most of these items, I would have definitely put in my box. The only 2 that I wasn't going to was the nail polish and the ornament. but it wasn't because I didn't want it. It was just like, do I really want to pay extra? So with this box for the $69, I kind of was able to get them as well. All right, well, what was your favorite item from this box? For me, it's going to be that emerald colored Unhide. Just in love with it. But tell me what yours is. And please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell. Be kind to one another, and hopefully I'll see you soon.